This is a teacher tip on using ChatGPT with the prompt and the context for this tip. So we're going to go over to ChatGPT, and now you can actually see my screen. So here's the prompt. The prompt is plan a week's worth of engaging lesson plans for a high school biology class on the topic of genetics. Now you can change that for whatever your prompt is. Now the context is use the next generation science standards for biology. Let's see what happens. So it gave me the high school standard. It gave me activities, and let's see if it'll do it for the week. So day 2, day 3, and you can run with this. So if you're a teacher and you want some quick ideas, use ChatGPT to do this. Now, if you're an educator and you'd like some ideas on prompting, go ahead to the description and grab the free download. Yes, it's fun, it's easy, and yes, ChatGPT will make you more efficient. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe, like, and yes, comment.